Welcome to Sunbeam CBSE School. Discover a world of learning and innovation at our open house on March 2nd, 2025. Step inside our state-of-the-art classrooms, explore cutting-edge labs, and experience world-class sports academies. Meet our passionate educators, get all your questions answered, and see how we nurture young minds for a bright future. Beyond academics, we nurture creativity, sportsmanship, and innovation. Every child shines at Sunbeam CBSE. Mark your calendars. Join us on March 2nd, 2025 to explore the best education for your child. Sunbeam CBSE School. Your child's future starts here.